6 weeks, and I am back here again with Miss Ikiya, and today we're going to be doing vitamin C facial. Yeah, vitamin C. We're focusing on hyperpigmentation today, so we are doing an antioxidant facial. And I'm getting a gold mask. So, look at my face. You know, these were here then, and now this one is. You know what it is? I'm gonna go ahead and tell you because it's probably gonna be all women that watch this anyway. It's cycle acne, and I just came off like 3 days ago, so that's why I'm coming today. The last time I got my facial, the week before I came on. So when my face had calmed down and it was starting to do right, that's when I came on my cycle, and like clockwork, I got my acne again. So this time we're gonna do this vitamin C facial, the gold mask, and I'm going to do some internal cleansing. Get out of that light, and we're gonna see what happens next time. So stay tuned. Yeah, it was. She needs a little work, but a retinol will clear it right on up.
Okay, you got a few new ones.
I told you I was fresh out the sanitary napkin, so you know it's extra. Markish work up there. Good grief, the forehead ones are nothing to play with.
Deep breath. Ooh, Carly.
Hey, God,
I know.
it's like you might not even want to get started on those bad boys. Shit.
One of those was a squirter.
I hope I got it on camera.
Well, I got it on my chin.
This is equivalent to a wax. I really can't hold my phone and take this much pain. I don't mean to call you phone people because you're not phone. Is that lint up underneath there? I'm never getting a face tattoo. Remind me that I'm never going to get a face tattoo, okay? Just in case one day I feel adventurous. I don't want a fucking face tattoo. This is like the pain of 1,000 booster shots. And I gotta hold my own camera? Good grief, this isn't right. Somebody, I think this is like natural childbirth. I feel like I should have had an epidural before you did this.
Kendra asked her. She's like, "Can you numb me when you extract me?"
Jeez Louise. Or some cocaine or something. Jesus. I don't do cocaine, y'all. I just said that. I don't even know what it does. I know police rub it on their gums for some reason. I don't know what that's about. No, in all the movies, that's what they do to see if it's real. They're like, I'm like, oh, that's what you the cocaine. Ah, quit. I'm gonna be quiet. This is so cold. But it felt crazy good though. If my skin was gold, it would be perfect. Minus all these bumps, you can still see through the gold. Your gold ain't smooth, girl. Your gold is bumpy.
Peel off, but it take, you know, peel off takes a whole lot of time to actually dry. Milk to go with it to your skin.
Thank you, Ikiya.